For most of human history, the idea that people could form real emotional bonds with machines sounded absurd. Artificial intelligence was once limited to cold calculations and basic automation. Love, intimacy, and emotional understanding were considered uniquely human traits. But over the last few decades, that belief has quietly started to collapse. Today, AI is no longer confined to factories and screens. It's entering deeply personal areas of our lives, including companionship, romance, and emotional support. What once seemed impossible now feels inevitable. As loneliness rises globally and traditional relationships become more complicated, AI companionship is gaining serious momentum. The question is no longer if humans will build emotional connections with machines, but how common those relationships will become. And judging by the speed of innovation, we may already be closer than we think. One of the most talked about examples of this shift is Harmony, a humanoid AI companion developed by a California-based company known for creating hyper-realistic dolls. Harmony isn't just designed to look human, she's built to interact. She can blink, move her head, shift facial expressions, and most importantly, hold conversations. Through an app, users can design her personality, choosing how shy, confident, curious, or affectionate she behaves. Over time, Harmony remembers preferences and past conversations, creating the illusion of emotional continuity. The technology behind Harmony didn't appear overnight. Our creator has spent decades refining lifelike robotic designs. And Harmony represents the fusion of that craftsmanship with modern artificial intelligence. While critics argue that robots like her cross ethical boundaries, her supporters see something else entirely, a comforting presence for people who feel disconnected from traditional relationships. To them, Harmony isn't replacing humans. She's filling an emotional gap. Another major name in the AI companion space is Maya, a robot designed with emotional interaction at its core. Maya combines mechanical movement, voice recognition, internet connectivity, and adaptive AI systems to create conversations that feel natural rather than scripted. Developers spent years training the system to recognize tone, mood, and context, allowing Maya to respond in ways that feel thoughtful and human-like. She can sense touch, regulate temperature, and engage in extended dialogue, making interactions feel immersive rather than mechanical. Unlike ultra-luxury humanoid robots, Maya offers more accessible entry points, with base models priced far lower and optional upgrades available for users who want more advanced features. Supporters argue that robots like Maya can help people build confidence, practice communication, and feel less alone. Critics, however, worry that emotional reliance on machines could weaken real-world social skills. Not all AI companions have physical bodies. Replika, for example, exists entirely as a digital entity, but its emotional impact is massive. Users create a personalized AI companion by selecting its appearance, personality, and role in their lives. Replika can be a friend, a romantic partner, a mentor, or a blend of all three. Unlike social apps that connect users to strangers, Replika offers a private, judgment-free space for conversation. During the global pandemic, Replika's user base exploded as millions turned to AI for comfort, emotional expression, and mental health support. Many users credit the app with helping them cope with loneliness, anxiety, and grief, while some experts fear that such tools could discourage real-world connections. The creators argue that AI companionship is no different from how online dating once challenged social norms before becoming widely accepted. Long before apps like Replika became mainstream, Itsuku was already redefining conversational AI, created in the mid-2000s. Itsuku is one of the earliest chatbots capable of sustaining long, meaningful conversations. Over the years, it has won multiple awards for conversational intelligence and accumulated billions of interactions. What sets Mitsuku apart isn't appearance, but personality: playful, empathetic, curious, and adaptable. It demonstrates how emotional engagement doesn't always require a physical form. In China, AI companionship has reached an entirely different scale through Shoas, a chatbot developed by Microsoft. With hundreds of millions of users, Shoas has become more than a novelty, she's a confidant. Many users report preferring conversations with Shoas over human interactions. The AI tracks emotional cues through sentiment analysis, adjusts topics when conversations slow down, and offers comfort when users appear distressed. This level of engagement has sparked debates about whether AI could eventually rival human companionship. As robots become more human-like, developers face a psychological challenge known as the uncanny valley, the discomfort people feel. When something looks almost human but not quite, robots like Emma and Roxy push directly into this space. Emma is designed to evolve over time, with future versions planned to walk, breathe, and move more naturally. Her AI allows her to remember past conversations and respond emotionally, making interactions feel continuous rather than isolated. Roxy, originally created to assist the elderly, evolved into a general-purpose companion. She can move her limbs, respond to touch, and hold conversations, though her behavior remains largely pre-programmed. Developers see this limitation not as a flaw, but as a foundation for future upgrades that could make her more autonomous and responsive. Solana represents one of the most ambitious leaps forward in robotic companionship. Built as an evolution of earlier models, Solana features interchangeable faces and deeply customizable personalities controlled through a mobile app. Users can instantly alter mood, behavior, and expression. Developers are also experimenting with mobile body parts, touch-responsive sensors, and heating elements to make interactions feel more lifelike. Future plans even include male AI companions, signaling a broader vision for inclusivity in the AI companionship market. AI companionship isn't limited to private spaces. Marla, Bangladesh's first AI influencer, shows how artificial personalities are entering public culture. Designed to evolve continuously, Marla posts on social media, interacts with followers, and reflects cultural trends. Her emergence mirrors global shifts, where AI isn't just responding to humans participating alongside them. Perhaps the most philosophically intriguing creation is Samantha, an AI companion built with a focus on cognition rather than physical realism. Samantha learns, adapts, and communicates not only with humans, but with other AI systems. She includes family-friendly modes, storytelling features, and motivational tools, positioning her as an emotional hub rather than just a companion. Her name, meaning listener, perfectly captures the intent behind her design. From humanoid robots to virtual chatbots, AI companions are no longer experimental concepts. They are active participants in human lives. Some see them as tools to fight loneliness. Others see potential risks in emotional dependency and blurred boundaries. But history suggests one thing clearly. When technology meets a deep human need, it doesn't disappear, evolves.